Today we are going to discuss how you can use a key card switch to power an apartment or a building. So what we are going to make use for this connection is first contactor, and this contactor is the brain box of this connection, is the main character of this connection. So this is the switch and this is the key that we're making use. Some other thing that we are going to see is DB, distribution board, and then other things that you can find in an apartment: bulb, fan, television, and some other things like that, socket and some other things like that. So let's start the connection. What we are going to do first is connect live and neutral to the contactor. We are going to connect neutral and live to the L1 and L3. I don't need to explain, I don't need to go into deep explanation on this. If you watch my video on how you can connect contactor with key card switch, you will understand this part that we are doing. So we just want to take it further. So and then we connect neutral to the A2, and then from A2 we are going to connect to the neutral side of this switch, which we are doing that now. And then after that we are going to connect live from L1 to the live terminal of this switch. And then what next is the output of this switch is going straight to this A1, because A1 and A2 is the terminal for the coil terminal of this contactor, and with that is what is operating this contactor, and that's what gives this switch the power to operate the whole system. So we are going to connect the output of this load to the A1. We are doing that already. So that's it, we are through with this connection. And then now we want to power our distribution board by using this contactor. So we are going to, the output of neutral is going to come out from T3, because we supply L3, and you know all the terminals up here and down here, they are normally open. For you to understand what I'm trying to say, check my video on contactor and check my other video on how to connect key card switch with contactor. So we are going to connect the neutral, and the next thing is connect the live. From this distribution board we are going to power other appliances and loads that we are going to have in this connection, and we are doing that live, neutral, and then we are connecting them. TV also, and then with this we are through with our connection. So next thing is, so let's see what is going to happen when we insert our card, our key to the switch. And literally what is going to happen is the load will go straight, we release energy to this A1, and the A1 of the contactor, since the neutral is already there, we energize the contactor, and this normally open will automatically become normally closed. So the power that has been provided here will supply down to this other side, and the distribution board will be powered. And immediately the distribution board is powered, all our loads can now be powered, and that's exactly what happened right here. You can see that all our loads are being powered. Thank you for watching our video. Please share, likes, and subscribe.